welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another Madam Glam unboxing. This advent calendar is getting very light as we get closer to Christmas. So today I'm doing the December 20th, 21st, and the 22nd unboxing today. So let's jump right into it. And sorry if you guys could hear like a little bit of an echo. I still have to do like the borders on my nail room because we put flooring in. So I mean, it's probably not that bad where you can notice it, but for some reason I feel like I'm yelling so loud, like the whole neighborhood could hear me talking right now. But I'm probably talking so low because nobody ever hears me anyway when I talk. But yeah, sorry about the slight echo. Hopefully that will be gone soon once we get that taken care of. But yeah, it's really not that big of a deal. Anyways, so we're doing the 20th. So I believe these are gel polishes, like those mini ones, like we've been getting these last few days. So that's the 20th, the 21st, and the 22nd. So these are the boxes for the 20th, 21st, and 22nd. So cute as always. So I'm curious to see what color we got today to swatch. So first I'm gonna unbox the 20th. And let's see. Ooh, this looks cute. So this is a mini gel polish, and this one is called Roar. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me zoom in a little bit more. But yeah, this one is called Roar. I'm not sure what color this is because on the front there's like some kind of rainbow design. This might be from the Pride collection, I think, or something like that. I'm not really sure because I never received that one. But the color looks really pretty. It's like a holographic green shade. I know some of you guys say your favorite color is green. So I'm sure you guys will love to see that color. So the 21st, let's see what we got for the 21st. Ooh, this one is called Perfect Gold, and I'm sure you could already assume what color this is going to be. I bet it's a gold. So yeah, this is a really bright gold, which is really cute. It's almost kind of like metallic in a way. So yeah, it's cute. Let's see the last color. Oh my god, I can't believe we've gone through like this entire advent calendar already. That's so crazy. You know what, I was thinking maybe I should do... No, I'll probably just do that one separately. It'll be fine. So this is another one. This one looks like it's probably some kind of red glitter shade maybe. And this one's called Smart Ox Blood. Yeah, ox blood, I guess. And ooh, this is really gorgeous. Wow, it's like a metallic red shade with like some shimmer in it, like a deep red shade. That's really nice. All right, so let me get my swatch sticks and we'll start swatching. Alright, so the first color I want to swatch is that red shade because it looks so pretty. I just am dying to know what it looks like. So the thing with these mini polishes, you have to like pick up a lot on your brush, especially when you're swatching like on these long swatch sticks. But it's not too bad. But yeah, this color is like super pigmented. Let me just get that polish off. But yeah, wow. This color is really gorgeous. Definitely gives me a Christmas vibe. Like it reminds me of one of those like red velvet Christmas dresses or something like that. I don't know, it's cute. All right, so the next one I'm gonna swatch is that sparkly green color. Definitely giving us another Christmas vibe with the sparkly green. This color is super pigmented as well. But yeah, look at this color and how sparkly it is. It's so pretty. And this one is pretty pigmented as well with one coat. So definitely when we go in with that second coat, you'll be able to see the color really good. And as always, I'm gonna be curing each layer for 60 seconds. And the last color I'm gonna swatch is that perfect gold shade. Usually I'm not too crazy about like really bright golds like this, but this one is okay. I kind of do like it. It would definitely be like a cute like toe color or something. I don't know, that's so random, but yeah. It is actually a really nice color. I do kind of like it, even though it's like a bright gold. It's definitely a nice Christmas and New Year's color. So I'm gonna cure these and then we'll go in with the second coat. Right. So now I'm gonna go in with the second coat of Smart Ox Blood. I don't know why that's so awkward for me to say. It's kind of like a tongue twister. I wonder what it would be like if you tried to say that word like 3 times. Smart Ox Blood, Smart Ox Blood. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, this color is definitely really nice. This one is my favorite, I think, out of all of them. I always love a nice red. Even though I don't really do red nails that often, I really should start doing them again. Yeah, really cute. All right, so next we're going in with that color Roar on the second coat. These bottles are so tiny. Yeah, this color is definitely more pigmented with like 2 coats. Just like I thought it would be. Wow. That's definitely a sparkly green. It is pretty though. I really like it a lot. It just sparkles so nicely. And last, we're gonna be swatching the second coat of Perfect Gold. This one was pretty pigmented with 1 coat, but I like to do a second coat anyway, just to get the color like really nice and even. The thing about metallic polishes like this, you got to be careful how you like paint the nails because they can tend to look streaky. I noticed that from when I applied the first coat. So right now I'm kind of just going in and trying to even it out as best as I can so that you don't really see those brush strokes. That should be good enough. So yeah, this color is really nice. So I am gonna cure these and then just apply a shiny top coat to them. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and top coat all of the swatch sticks off camera with the Madam Glam No Wipe top coat. that came with the advent calendar. And this is the final result. Let me zoom you guys in here. But yeah, I'm loving all the colors. They're all like super shiny, like the metallic colors are really, really pretty. And so is the glittery green. I really do like it. And these are like the perfect Christmas colors. Definitely giving me a Christmas vibe right about now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. That's pretty much it for today's video. I will be back to do the 23rd, which is right here. And then we'll do the 24th and finally the biggest one, which is the 25th on Christmas, which I'm still dying to open. I haven't peeked or anything, so go me for doing that. But yeah, I'll have separate videos for all of those since there's like just one more small gel polish and not like a bunch of them. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in any of Madam Glam's gel polishes, as always the links will be in the description box along with my discount code. Yeah, and make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. I always post nail tutorials and product reviews, so you definitely don't want to miss out. And I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. Bye. Love you guys.